A very good evening to all of you. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And hey, guys, this side Palak Mishra, and now you can ask question.
What is your full name?
Palak Mishra. Mishra is a Brahman caste, you know.
What is your
But
strength? What is your strength?
my strength is my mom, my dad, and my sister.
And what is your weakness?
My weakness, actually, I have nyctophobia, the phobia of darkness. So that is my
What's your dream?
dream. I wanna be an air hostess. So
Why?
because I love journey. Journey is my hobby, so that is why I choose this job for me. That
What is your favorite fast food?
what is my
Favorite fast food?
fast food? Water balls. Go. No, I don't have any technical qualification. My hobbies: singing, dancing, reading. What are you serious?
Yes.
CS.
We are serious.
जुड़ के भी टूटी रही इश्क दी डोर वे किसको सुनाए जाके टूटे दिल का शोर वे माही वे मोहब्बत
Singer of that song.
नेहा कक्कर शी इज माय फेवरेट सिंगर
Donate your some height to her.
if I can so surely I donate.
Family status.
My family status. I have 5 members in my family. My brother, my sister, and my parents. And my father is supervisor of medicine company, and my mother is housewife, and my sister, my brother, we all are studying that time.
Where are you basically from? Where are you basically from?
I am basically I belongs from Uttar Pradesh, UP.
Where in UP? Where in UP?
Where in UP? I am from Hardoi district.
Do you like government job or not?
Yes, I like government job because the swag of government job is. But that time, but I think the private job is better than the government job.
Who is your idol?
My idol lady. Behalf in English, behalf on my nature type things. Nature. Sonia ma'am. She was my teacher when I was in 12th standard. She was taught me Hindi, so she is my idol.
Tell me about your school life.
My school life is very boring. I didn't do any bunk. I didn't do any masti on my school in my school time. So that is why my school time is very boring. And I pass out my I pass out my 10th class with private school, and then I shifted on government school.
What is your percentage in 10th and 12th?
My percentage in 10th is 70, and in 12th 81.
Who is your favorite person in your life?
My favorite person in my life. My dad. My dad is a favorite person of.
Which type of business you want to do?
Which type of
Business you want to do?
business? Actually, I don't have any knowledge about business, so I don't like to do business. I am satisfied with job.
Do you have any boyfriend?
No, I don't have any boyfriend.
And crush?
Crush. Yeah, I have a. I have crush. South Indian hero. The name was his name Allu Arjun. So he's my crush and favorite actor also.
Who is your favorite actress?
My favorite actress Anushka Shetty. What is the name of?
In Bollywood?
No, in Tollywood.
Yeah, don't sit silent.
Do you watch Big Boss?
Ask a lot of questions.
I tried to watch Big Boss, but my mom said that
Do not
don't
give her time to
watch
think.
these type of serials,
Put your questions again.
these type of shows. This is not good for you.
Watch.
Anupama.
What is the deal?
Who is your favorite character in Anupama?
Kavya.
Why she's your favorite?
My answer.
She's my favorite character because she's look like very beautiful and she's very intelligent actually. So that is why.
Don't you like
Is she
Kinjal?
intelligent?
Yes.
Kinjal is so smart and that.
Ha, I like Kinjal, but I like her mom.
He has chosen a father.
I like her acting. I like her acting, and she's also.
Love is blind. वैसे इंडिया के अंदर ये थियरी है, फॉरेन कंट्रीज में ऐसा नहीं है। मैं फॉरेन में एक लेडी से चैटिंग करता था, मुझे को 65 ईयर ओल्ड है करीब, वो
सर
सी
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
हाँ सी इज माय गर्लफ्रेंड। जितना अच्छा वो सजेस्ट करती है उतना अच्छा कोई सजेस्ट करता ही नहीं। नहीं, मैरिज एक अलग चीज है। यस, मैरिज सब कुछ थोड़ी है।
There you go.
आउटलेट
Go
होने
hang out.
चाहिए।
For hangout, Goa, Mumbai,
Yeah, you go for honeymoon.
Switzerland. Switzerland.
Why is this Switzerland?
Because this place is very cold.
Sweden is also cold.
Huh.
Why don't you choose that?
I love that place.
Because he doesn't know about Sweden.
So
Name the last movie you watched.
I know about J&K, then what is the need to know about Switzerland?
name the last movie.
I can afford Manali or not.
I watched Bahubali.
Have you seen Ashram?
I watched Bahubali. Second conclusion.
Have you seen Ashram web series?
No.
Why?
I seen only one web series, Mirzapur.
Who's your idol?
Tell me one dialogue in that
Mirzapur.
web series.
No, please. इश्क भी बहुत कुत्ती चीज होती है. Yes.
Who's your idol?
My idol, her name was Sonia Rana, and when I was in 12th standard, she taught me Hindi. She was my idol.
Why she is your idol?
Her nature is so good, and her voice is just like wow, amazing. No word to explain her character, but she is very brilliant.
What will qualities you looking for in a future husband?
मेरे साथ में गाना करो और
dancing on my finger. No. No. He will be understanding, that's it.
Do you have any crush right now?
Allu Arjun, I said.
Celebrity name.
No, real. I don't have any real crush that time.
You like girls? You like girls?
I'm not lesbian, so I don't like girls.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Nowadays, what are you doing for achieve your goals?
I watch interviews. I watch English interviews. I watch Sugandha's Sarma videos. She made video for air hostess, that type of things. So
What type of things do you want do you want to do on your marriage?
I will be drink.
In front of all mother-in-law and father-in-law.
Yes, I will drink on my marriage with my husband.
Same day you got a divorce.
Yes.
Can you tell me about your funniest moment of your childhood?
I didn't remember any funniest moment of my childhood.
So tell about embarrassing moments.
No, I didn't remember.
Don't sit silent.
Tell
Please
us
ask
some
question
embarrassing
again.
moment of
Please
your
fast.
Embarrassing moment in my childhood.
School life.
I didn't remember any embarrassing moment. I'm very peaceful girl. I'm very innocent girl. So I don't. Why are you laughing? I'm not lying. I'm serious. I'm very innocent girl. Look at my face.
We don't think so. We don't think so that you are innocent.
So what are you thinking? I'm a murderer?
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish. My favorite dish is rajma chawal.
Chulti chawal.
Rajma chawal, I like rajma chawal because the shape of rajma chawal is like a kidney.
So you want to eat a kidney? Do you want to eat a kidney?
No, I don't want to eat kidney, but I like the shape.
Where would you like to go with your boyfriend?
Where I like to go Goa for a trip.
Where would you like to go for first date?
Mumbai.
Suppose your father called you with your boyfriend, then what will he do?
Again, please repeat again.
If your father catch with your girlfriend with you, then what will he do?
He do. Then you are come on my death ceremony. And
All
you,
are welcome.
you all are welcome, and you will be put the mala on my photo. Please roses on
Some sad music.
some sad music.
Ask question. Don't give her time to think.
If you want to flirt someone, so how would you flirt? Would you like to flirt?
If someone is flirt with you, what do you want to do?
I'm happy to see her flirt. I'm very happy. You do.
If someone is teasing you, what do you want to do?
That time, actually, repeat again.
Someone is teasing you.
What is the meaning of teasing?
Keep teasing. Keep teasing. Keep teasing. Chena.
Chena.
That time I tell him, please teach me because I don't have knowledge about teasing.
Yes. Move on. Ask questions.
Do you like to study?
No.
Then
Why
why
are
are
you
you here?
studying? Why are you studying?
This is not a study, actually. This is a language, actually. English is a language. So I love English, so that is why I'm here. But study, far relationship.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I do lots of things, like I sing a song, and I'm dancing, I'm listening music, I'm reading. So
Please sing here. Sing.
Yes, sir. Yes, you are late.
yes, better luck next time.
Thanks. Anyone?
Do you like to drive a car or ride a bike?
Drive a car.
Do you know how to drive a car?
No.
Then how you drive?
Do you know how to ride bicycle?
Yes, I know how to ride bicycle.
Do you know how to cook?
No, I didn't cook in my whole life.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend, nobody is my best friend actually. I'm a single and boring person.
What type of
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Huh?
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Emotional and
How could you say that you are emotional?
What type of emotional you are?
you can if you can watch, if you can agree to watch kabhi khushi kabhi gum with me, so that you can see how much I am emotional.
The next quality.
And next quality, I am very talkative and very innocent.
We don't think so that.
I am very innocent. Look at
What type of dress do you want to wear on your birthday?
what type of
Dress do you want to wear on your birthday?
Cinderella gown. I want to wear Cinderella gown on my birthday.
Do you know
Which
how
place
to
do you
cook?
like most in India?
And India,
Exclude Goa.
Uttar Pradesh.
Why you choose Uttar Pradesh?
This is my Uttar Pradesh is my area.
You are Dom. You are Dom.
I am queen.
Do you know how to cook?
No, far relationship. I said
Don't you help your mother in your kitchen?
no. I said
Ask some questions related to
I help my mother in clean utensils, to mobbing,
Ask some questions.
to
related
grooming.
to GK
Who is Chief Minister of Goa?
GK and
Defense
politics.
Minister
Yeah.
Okay.
Rajnath Singh.
Who is the CM of Goa?
I
Who is the
don't
prime minister in your family?
know.
Don't know.
My father is the prime minister of my family.
And
Who
president.
is the aviation minister of
Mom, sign.
India? Hello. Who is the aviation minister of India?
No, I don't know.
Who is the health minister of Delhi?
Health minister of Delhi, कौन है भाई? Manish Sisodia.
No, he is aviation minister.
I don't know.
He is also health minister of Delhi.
Satyendra Jain.
Change करता
The
रहता है.
currency of Bangladesh is. What is the currency of Bangladesh?
I don't know.
What is the currency of Korea and China?
What is the currency of Dubai?
Move on, next question.
Move on.
Who is the president of New Zealand?
Who is the president
Excuse
of
me, sir.
Now you
Please.
can ask any questions. Ask some personal questions.
Sir, please edit this thing. Just GK. Edit this GK round, please.
When did you get up?
He's not shooting.
Ask some personal questions related to personal life, family life.
7
family
o'clock.
issues, anything. Yes.
Tell me about your personality. Tell me about your personality.
As you can see. As you can see my personality. I'm sitting in front of you.
When do you wake up?
7 o'clock.
Really?
Yes, just because of my dad.
Tell me something about your father.
My father? Okay, sir, please edit this line. I tell. My father is very rude. Very rude. He's बच्चे हूँ मैं.
Do you believe in हम दो हमारे दो policy?
I believe in हम दो हमारा एक.
Same policy I and my friend both are adopting. हम दो हमारी एक. we both have been following this policy for a long time.
Every friend should follow.
She always tells me don't tell anything to your friend, and the same thing the things she repeats in front of my friend.
So 4 days ago, you said you want 15 or 16 children around you.
Yeah.
How?
So somebody asked me that if you couldn't achieve your goals, so what is the next step? So I said marriage. There are 15 and 14 children around me.
Ask question, don't sit silent. Now this is final round, everyone is to ask question. Start from here. Yes, you.
What is your hobby?
My hobby, singing, dancing, reading. It's my hobby.
What are you pursuing right now?
I'm pursuing. I'm in BA first year,
What is your 12th stream?
arts.
Why choose arts?
It is very easy.
Which
I'll
is your
say.
favorite subject in arts?
Hindi. Hindi is my favorite subject.
Who is your favorite writer in Hindi?
Hindi in Hindi.
Okay,
Nirala.
Tell 5 writers name.
Nirala. Tripathi.
No.
Suryakant Tripathi. Nirala. Jaisankar Prasad. Premchand.
Okay.
Mahapran
What
Nirala.
is full name of Premchand?
Munshi Das. Munshi Premchand.
How many siblings do you
Yeah,
have?
do not waste time. Please ask question fast. Yes, please try to trick your answer.
Yes, sir.
Try to answer level.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
What is
My
your
brother
favorite
and my
place?
sister.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place in India, in whole world.
इंडिया में या पूरे
India.
India. Goa is my favorite place.
What is your motivation idea?
Motivational in English, behalf on English, Shashi Tharoor is my motivational, is my idol. Behalf in English.
When do you go to bed at night?
Again,
When do you go to bed at night?
at night. What is your question?
when do you
Go to bed at night.
Go to bed at night.
At night, I go to bed at 10 o'clock, around 10 o'clock, I think.
Do you have any pet?
No, I don't.
Pet name?
Okay, pet name. No, I don't have any pet name, but I wish that I have any pet name.
Are you animal lover? Are you an animal lover?
Yes, I'm animal lover.
Which
But
animal do you like?
dog. I like dog most.
Why नहीं पूछूंगा
Dog is very
Your
kind.
boyfriend's favorite color. What is your boyfriend's favorite color?
I don't have any boyfriend, so how can
What is your father's occupation?
my father
occupation?
occupation medicine supplier.
Do you believe in love?
Yes, I believe in love.
What is love according to you? What is love according to you?
According to me, love is a very no word to explain. No word to explain love, but love is a very wonderful feeling.
then why are you not finding love right now?
Because I don't find anyone according to me. I don't find any qualities to
What
some
qualities do you want?
understanding. That's it.
Don't you want a
have
rich
any
person?
incomplete dream?
Yes, I want rich person, but the most thing I want to I want in my I want in my partner, that is he will be understanding. That's it.
You have any incomplete dream?
I can't listen you, please.
You have any incomplete dream?
Incomplete dream. Yes, I have an incomplete dream. I want to become a public speaker when I was in 8th standard. So that is my incomplete dream, because people, our society, my parents, people's not allowed to do this dream. What?
What is your idea for a perfect date?
What is
Your idea about a perfect date?
idea about a
Perfect date.
date? Wear nice clothes, both. And please, this is my personal suggestions to all of you. Please, before going to date, before going to date with someone, please perfume yourself. Because that is my personal experience too. That's it.
Tell me about love.
Yeah, he's very wonderful. He's very wonderful guy.
Did you have ever crush on your teacher?
On teacher?
Yeah.
I'm not mad. I'm not Kavya. I am not Kavya.
Where will you go for a date?
कितना नहीं यार पूछ. In Delhi? CP, Connaught Place.
Anywhere in the world. Where you want to date?
Yeah, anywhere, but she said to me in Delhi.
Anywhere in the world.
Anywhere in the world, so Paris.
Why do you
I want to see Eiffel Tower.
Okay, show me mic. This mic. Yeah, my dear students, you all have been listening to Palak Misra for 27 minutes, and now after listening to her, I would like to make you understand something about her, and you too listen to me. Tagline: no tagline is used during amid speaking, and but don't repeat the question before answering, like family status, hobbies. My hobbies are this. So before answering the question, there is no need to repeat the question again. Just you have to focus. Be confident. Video is going on. Just listen to me. Yes. Now, don't sit. You don't sit relaxed. Sometimes you do like this, and that. So please be relaxed while answering. Eye contact is missing at the time of answering, while answering, but you listen to carefully. When you listen to the question, you listen to carefully by making eye contact, but when you answer the question, then you answer like this. It is not good. So postures are average. Sometimes you're doing like that. You're playing harmonium without any. Yes, postures are average, but accuracy. Mostly you speak in present. Try to widen your grammatically area and try to speak in past and future according to the context. So revise all the grammar lesson first. Advocacy is very, very, very good, because whatever she wants to make you understand, she can make. This is the quality, and this is gifted quality. Very good advocacy you have. GK is average. Confidence is so high. You have, as you all have seen, confidence is so high, and attitude is positive and friendly. Friendly attitude has been seen, and a positive attitude. Voice clarity is so nice. Really, voice clarity is so good. Actually, I have spoken of oftenly. I speak most of the student that your voice quality is not good, but your voice quality is nice, better than good, more than good. Accent, nice accent you have, very near to UK accent. If you will try on it, on your accent, then easily you can achieve, it can be achieved easily. UK accent you can adopt easily. It's okay, you are very much near to UK accent. Personality is fantastic, outfit is good, no foggons you used, falters, no falters you used, stammers, no stammer is there. No falter, no foggon, no foggon, no falter, no stammers. These very three things are very good. Actually, I have interviewed, I think, 4 students: Anas, Kavya, Shivam, and you, Taruna, and Palak. But I didn't see foggons, falters, and stammers. This is good. I saw 2 or 3 foggons only when I interviewed Kavya. Otherwise, nobody is using this tips. Do not repeat the same question before you answer. Try to be relaxed. Improve your postures. Download InShorts in your mobile phone to be updated. Overall, the interview was fabulous. So give her a big round of applause. Thank you so much.